guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a very special video because I am unboxing a knife and I love doing knife unboxing videos. So this knife, I've been waiting for quite a while. I've wanted to get one of these for a very long time. And I finally pulled the trigger here a while back and it just came in. So who did I get this knife from? This is from Adventuresworn. I've been wanting one of their knives for a very long time. And I want to say this was probably the best buying experience I've ever had getting a custom order knife. Shout out to Cody, the guy that makes these. Super awesome dude. He actually took the time. I was going to plan on going out of town and I didn't want the knife to get dropped off here and then somebody steal it. He took the time to make sure I was at home. He personally called me, you know, from his personal phone and let me know what was going on and communicated. He overnighted the box to me. He had no idea that I have a YouTube channel, so it wasn't like I was getting preferential treatment. I didn't get a discount, paid full price for it. I just want to say super great communication, super great guy. Go check him out. I'm really excited to get this knife. I just want to give them a shout out and say thanks for making the knife. So let's go on the table here, do an unboxing and get my first impressions of my new knife. All right, guys, so first in the box, you get a little thank you for your purchase. And then I also opened this up, went on and opened it. How cool is that? Adventuresworn, old-timey seal. Now that's cool. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. In there, you also will get a instruction manual, how to take care of it. Awesome. Little notice. We're going to go on and open this up. Oh man, wow. Guys, this is, wow. I'm just going to take a minute and look at this sheath. Look at the attention to detail on there. Smooth. It's got their logo on there. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing. Nice quality leather sheath. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a nice knife. Maybe a smooth white micarta, or paper micarta rather. Look at this knife. That is beautiful. It's got a good feel to it. Plenty of real estate on there. I like how it swells out here on the end. You can get back on it, do a little whacking if you need to. Do that. See if I can get that to focus. Adventuresworn, nice. It's artwork. Thank you to Cody. This is a fine knife. Beautiful, like I've said before. This is definitely an pass down to your children type of knife. Got the red on there. Absolutely amazing. Little size comparison just so you know. This is a Spyderco Shaman, just so you have kind of a comparison. Not too big, not too small. Just a gorgeous knife. Man, oh man. I cannot wait to take this out. Perfect size. I mean, perfect size. Bush lore style blade kind of design. This is, again, this is what they call the classic. They have a few different models, but this one was the one that caught my eye. Look at the fit and finish on this. Look at that. Absolutely amazing knife. Wow. All right, guys, what can I say? Just this is an awesome knife, guys. I love it. You know, for me, the sheath is amazing. I love custom made sheaths. That's one of my big things about some of the other, you know, more mass produced knives using like GRE industry sheaths, but they're nice. But when I get a custom knife, I love custom sheaths. I love, look at that. It's got a drain hole, and then also here so you can run something through that and tie that to keep it from flopping, like if you had the dangler on it. But I love the simplicity of it. I mean, awesome. Thank you so much for making this knife for me. Beautiful knife. Definitely would get another one from them. Why I like knives so much, and I make YouTube videos and stuff about it, is because it's just, for me, a knife is one of your closest companion items when you're out in the mountains, backpacking or doing whatever. And, honestly, knife it's an art. It's an art form. I could never do anything like this. I know my limitations. I'm not that type of guy. It's an art form. And, there's just something beautiful about it. It's just, I love the white, ivory paper micarta handles on this. Love everything about it. I am so pleased. It is an amazing knife. I mean, look at that. I can't wait to, actually this afternoon, I'm taking it up in the mountains. I'm going to shoot another video for Saturday. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to try to get another video out up in the mountains. And I just want to say thanks to Cody at Adventure Sworn. And this knife is going to be cherished and get a lot of use out here in the Rockies, especially this winter. So I appreciate that. If you guys like this content, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. It's a small channel. We're growing every day, but, just got to keep pounding it out. And I appreciate it. Thanks. We'll catch you on the next video.